All right. Hi, welcome to the week 3 walkthrough, the week 3 video. Um, this is basically where I'm going to tell you to just watch a different video. But let's go through what you have to do this week. So you have a lesson to do either on Monday or Tuesday. Check your calendar and right here. So the class I'm in right now, you have to do this on Tuesday. And to be clear, your completion of these lessons counts as your attendance for that day. So keep that in mind. And then I went ahead and scheduled or suggested you listen to the last 2 episodes of the podcast on the same day that you do that lesson because this week is big. This week you turn in your rough draft for your Dolly Parton paper. So this is the point in this video where I tell you to watch this video. This video will walk you through what these things are right here. And it talks about actually submitting your paper, where to go to find more details on how to write your paper well. And I just want to be right here and tell you to your face that your rough draft is a complete paper. It just doesn't have to be super duper great yet. Okay, it has to be 2 full pages. It has to have a works cited page. You get a grade for this, like you get out of 10 points, you get credit for doing this, turning it in on time, and then those points are transferred over to your paper grade, which is your very first like big grade for this class. So this is a big deal. Okay, this is a big deal. After you submit your rough draft this week, I'm going to take time and give you personal feedback. So like I will be telling you the things to fix before you turn it in the next week for week 4. Okay, so and then after you've turned in your rough draft, you still have a forum because there are kind of separate things that I'm checking on with your rough draft and the forum. So you still have a forum due on Friday. Very short, very short. Okay, and then I did want to go ahead and peek into week 4 and tell you that this right here, Bertram's final Dolly paper, your paper should look just like this, could be very useful for you in week 3. But I wanted to kind of spread things out so it doesn't get too overwhelming in one week. So if you want to look at this, go ahead, jump into week 4. But it's just a fixed up version of this document right here. So once you start clicking on things, I think all of that will make sense. But that's what you've got for week 3. It's a big week. You've got your lesson, you've got the podcast to finish, you've got your rough draft to submit, and a forum to post to. Okay? All right, let me know if you have any questions, and that's it for week 3.